All right, here's part 2. It says copy the formula F5 to cells F6 to F14, which we already did. 7, set order operation, calculate total earnings. Select cell G5. Build a formula to add commissions amount, E5, to the commissions amount times the rate, F5 times E5, okay? Equals E5 plus E5 times F5 equals. And that's what it should be. Let's see if that matches up with the answer. For the first one, 15,375. Oh, guy. Oh, that's what it says. Okay, perfect. So we're good. Copy the formula to cells G6 to G14. Okay, so just drag it right on down. Boom. Perfect. 8. Create and copy a sum-if function to calculate total earnings by branch office. Select cell E18. Start sum-if function with cells D5 to D14. Remember, this is a money reference as a range argument. So F8 or E18 is right here. Equals sum-if. And the range is going to be D5 to D14. D5 to D14. We're going to hold command and hit T, and that puts those monies in there. Hit a comma. And the criteria argument is a relevant reference to the cell C18. Okay, so meaning this is what we want. Whoops. C18. We want Cameron Park as the criteria. And let's see here. Okay, so sum range. Sum range is G5 to G14. Okay. So hit comma, G5 to G14. Okay. Now that we have G5 to G14, remember it says to make an absolute reference, which is a money reference, so hold command and hit T. Whoops. And hit it again, command T. Whoops. It's being a pain, so I'll highlight these. Here's another trick. There you go. Boom. And then hit enter. That's the number we want. Your number probably look like that. Just make sure you put this money sign in there, because that's what the number wants it to be. And then you can just drag these down. And that's what your answer should be. Okay? And once you do that, we're going to total the earnings in cell E21. And it's simple. Just go down to the total, hit equals, and hit sum, open parentheses, grab all of these, and hit enter. And that should be your number. Let's see if that matches up with your answer, 69045. 69045. That's it.